Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing the Sparkle & Co. exclusive 2019 Iridescent Holiday Collections that will be available during the Black Friday and Cyber Monday weekend, starting this Thursday, November 28th at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time and ending Tuesday, December 3rd at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. Everything will be 20% off on their site, sparkleandco.com. Use discount code HOLIDAYMAGIC20. Please note that my 15% off code LaShenny21Nails15 cannot be used during this sale, but they will have lots of awesome deals, so be sure to check the description box of this video for all the details. And if you want to be one of the first to find out what new things are available at Sparkle & Co., I invite you to follow them on social media and especially their super fun Facebook group. I will leave links below. The two iridescent collections will be available in dip and gel. Although they won't be exact dupes of each other, they will follow the same theme. I got the 6 mini dips and they will be available for $35. Swatches will be sold separately. Let's take a closer look at the dip collection. They come inside a beautiful red satin bag. Here we have the complete set. This one is Christmas Queen. Here is Santa Baby. But first, let me take an Elfie. Lit as a Christmas tree. Elsa's Castle. Hanu Queen. All the shades in this collection are so beautiful and I can't wait to try them all out. For today's manicure, I'm using Santa Baby and Elsa's Castle. After applying 2 coats of each, this is what the manicure looks like and they sparkle so beautifully. I really love the way they look. Then I stamped snowflakes on 2 of the nails. And here's the completed manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to let me know. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!